Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are doing well and you had an amazing Eid. Since a lot of students are not back from Eid, I thought this must be best to share another video and complete active and passive voice for you. Last class में असां active and passive voice जो introduction कयोसीं and असां general rules पढ़ी करे उन खां पोइ present tense खे study कयोसीं that how do we make uh, passive voice when a sentence is given in present simple tense. अॼु असां बाकी tenses खे complete कंदासीं. We'll start from present continuous tense. अच्छा, tenses में present continuous tense उहो sentence या उहो time ॿुधाईंदो आहे जंहिंमें कोई कमु थी रहियो हुजे, जारी हुजे उन वक़्तु. असां छा कंदासीं अगरि असांखे कोई सेंटेंस मिले प्रेज़ेंट कंटिन्यूअस में असां उनखे चेंज करण जे लाइ एडिशन कंदासीं. जनरल रूल्स तव्हांखे ख़बर हूंदा. जनरल रूल्स थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब लाज़मी आहे ऐं सेंटेंस जो स्ट्रक्चर थोरो चेंज थी वेंदो आहे. ऑब्जेक्ट खे असां वठी ईंदा आहियूं सब्जेक्ट जी जॻह ते सब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट थींदो आहे. इहे जनरल रूल्स फॉलो करण खां पोइ हिन स्पेसिफिक रूल फॉर दिस टेंस छा आहिनि. वी हैव टू यूज़ द वर्ड BEING बीइंग हियर while we change into passive. For example, he sentence आहे present continuous जो she is doing the work. who काम करे रही आहे. Now, how do we change it into passive? We say the work is being done and she जी जगह ते by her. The work is being done by her. Then we have another example. They are unlocking the doors. The doors are being unlocked by them. So what do we need to remember here that असांखे जॾहिं भी active और passive voice में change करणो आहे, the first step should be identifying the tense of the sentence that is given. तव्हांखे जंहिं sentence खे change करण लाइ चयो वञे थो सभिनी खां पहिरियां तव्हां उन जो tense identify कंदा. पोइ तव्हांखे फौरन क्लिक थी वञणु खपे त अच्छा ही present continuous आहे त being add थींदो ऐं general rules remain same almost for all the tenses. Next असां वटि आहे present perfect tense. हाँ, present perfect tense हू छा हूंदो आहे. उहो कमु जेको perfection में अची वञे थी चुको हुजे present में. इन में असां normally have has यूज़ कंदा आहियूं third form सां. जीअं first step is identifying the tense she has done the work. हिन tense में have has यूज़ थींदो आहे and verb जी third form यूज़ थींदी आहे. How do we change it? We add has been or have been. असां चवंदासीं the work has been done by her and looking at the second sentence they have unlocked the doors. The doors have been unlocked by them. Have been doors सां लॻे पियो subject verb agreement जो concept अचे पियो. The work has been, right? So then we have present perfect continuous tense. It is if somebody gives you a sentence that is in present perfect continuous tense, you do not have to change it. There is no change in it. And I've already told you the name of the book we follow. It also doesn't change this tense and there are few others. Perfect continuous tense कौन change थींदो can be present past या future में. Okay, so now we do past simple या past indefinite tense. Same thing, helping verbs change थींदा वेंदा. She did the work. The work was done by her. जॾहिं असां present simple पिया कयूं त is पियो अचे, am पियो अचे, are पियो अचे, हिते was ऐं were use थींदा. They unlocked the doors. The doors were unlocked by them. Okay, then we have present past continuous tense. Past continuous tense, she was doing the work. The work was being done by her. They were unlocking the door. The doors were being unlocked by them. Again, this is the game of helping verbs. General rules तव्हांखे याद थी वेंदा आहिनि once you get into it, once you practice. The third form ईंदो, subject object जी जगह change थी वेंदी, by add थींदो, pronouns change थींदा. But then when it comes to specific tense, you only change the helping verb and add something. जीअं हिते BEING being add थी वियो. Past perfect tense again हुन में past perfect tense में generally had या have use थींदो आहे. Sorry, present perfect में had या have use थींदो आहे. And when it comes to past perfect, we only use HAD had. There is no have. I'll just cross this one also. Had. only one. And when it comes to changing their passives, what do? We add been. She had done the work had been done by her. She had unlocked the doors had been unlocked by her. Here I again say that this is a mistake and it should be cut, that you will get the slides with this mistake erased, but here I cannot change it right now. It will take some time, so I'll just move with this mistake. Again, perfect continuous tense, no change. We have future simple or future indefinite we say. हिन टेंस में असां जनरल रूल्स खां पोइ विल सां गॾु बी ऐड कंदासीं. वी ऑलरेडी विल ऑलरेडी हूंदो आहे हिन जे फ्यूचर सिंपल में. शी विल डू द वर्क will be done by her. They will unlock the doors will be unlocked by them. Acha, the book we follow that I have discussed earlier in one of our classes, in a future continuous is not changing, future perfect no change, and of course perfect continuous tense में तो हुई change कौन हुंदो है. One more thing that we can go through is can I must वाला sentence भी change थी सघन था passive में. Here I can take this glass can be taken by me. Can take हुंदो तो can be taken. Must take must be taken. अच्छा, somebody अगर कहे sentence में somebody करे शुरू थिए थो, for example somebody hit the dog with a stick, त somebody यानी वो यूज तो करे stick dog खे हरण लाइ, right? Somebody is using an instrument, कोई tool यूज तो करे, त हिते हिक त असां by न WITH with यूज कंदासीं, छो त असांजो जेको सब्जेक्ट आहे एजेंट आहे उहो इंस्ट्रूमेंट खे यूज पियो करे एक्शन परफॉर्म करण लाइ. ऐं इन जो पैसिव थींदो द डॉग वॉज हिट विथ ए स्टिक. So these were things that I thought you should know other than tenses. And then we have a little practice. I want you to change these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sentences into passives and send them into the group. The cat killed the mouse. The boy made a kite. I see a dark cloud. His teacher praised him. Amna is completing the decor. So I will be waiting for the response on the practice. Please, there are only 5 sentences. Please manage time to do them. इनके करे तां group में इनजा answers send कयो and we'll discuss it there. अगर कोई questions आहिनि उहे भी group में share कयो. We'll discuss them. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.